A newly developed Iranian short-range air defense system has been spotted in Tehran, mounted on a light truck. The system features a rapidly rotating electro-optical (EO) sensor and 2 pods, each containing 4 missile launcher canisters. It is reportedly designed to intercept and destroy unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, cruise missiles, helicopters, and low-altitude aerial targets. According to some sources, this new system may be an advanced version of the AT-08 Majid Short-Range Mobile Air Defense (SHORAD) missile system, which boasts a range of 700 meters to 15 kilometers and can engage targets at altitudes between 20 meters and 6 kilometers. The fully mobile short-range Majid air defense system consists of 2 main parts. One part is its missiles, and the other part is an electro-optical detection and tracking system. Both parts are installed and used on an Rs-2 tactical vehicle. All parts of the system are located in the vehicle's cargo section. The weapons station includes 4 AT-08 missiles capable of being increased to 8 on both sides, and an electro-optical system in the center. The weapon station has a 360-degree rotation capability, and the electro-optical system also has a 360-degree rotation capability independent of the weapons station. This system is also installed on a 4x4 Iveco daily truck. In addition to the Rs-2 tactical vehicle. The reason for such a change in a truck could be to create better camouflage during movement, and a lower chance of detecting this system. The electro-optical tracking and targeting system used in the Majid air defense system includes 2 cameras that are placed on top of each other and in the center of the weapon station. The electro-optical tracking and targeting system has a continuous 360-degree rotation capability independent of the weapon station. This system includes a daytime camera and a thermal camera, capable of operating at all times of day and night and in all types of weather. The electro-optical tracking and targeting system used in the Majid air defense system can detect targets at a maximum range of 15 kilometers and guide 4 missiles simultaneously towards targets, allowing it to simultaneously protect itself from 4 different directions. In normal mode, electro-optical systems rotate towards the target and guide a missile that has been fired until it hits. In this state-of-the-art mode, the electro-optical system only tracks 1 target and merely guides 1 missile. But with continuous rotation of the electro-optic system, it is possible to find different targets in all directions, and then give a firing order. In this mode, the camera can continuously monitor its surroundings, and to a great extent, it can reduce the possibility of being surprised, as well as the destruction of the system. In this guidance method, the electro-optic system becomes a search and targeting system, capable of finding several targets that can guide several missiles. The missile used in the Majid air defense system is a short-range missile with a thermal imager. This missile is sealed inside a tubular launcher, and 4 of them are installed on the weapon station. Given the presence of electrical connectors on each launcher, another launcher can be placed on top of the previous one. As a result, the Majid air defense system will be able to use 8 missiles. The missile has 4 stabilizing fins at the end and 4 control fins near the nose cone. The fins on the missile are foldable, allowing the missile to be placed inside a canister. The Majid air defense system missile uses smokeless solid fuel. This type of fuel reduces the chance of detecting the launch site and increases the surprise of the enemy. Also, the AT-08 missile uses a thermal imaging camera at its nose cone, which guides and hits the target using this camera. The electro-optical system issues a firing command after detecting the target. The missile moves towards the point announced by the system and then searches for the target by the use of its camera, locks onto it, and moves towards the target to destroy it, This method is the same as the fire and forget method, and as a result, the system can move immediately after firing. The use of a passive or non-active detector in the main system's capacity to avoid locking onto the aim misleads the target. The target will not be aware of thermal locking until the missile locks onto it. Also, being smokeless makes it impossible for the enemy to determine the path of movement of the missile and calculate information, such as collision direction, speed, and so on, to detect the launch location of the missile, which will take a long time. The deployment of this mystery air defense system coincides with the inauguration of Masoud Pezeshkian as Iran's new president. Iran has been continuously developing and upgrading its military hardware in response to perceived threats.